Hey guys, it's Ernie Meller, pitmaster at Hog Wild, Real Memphis Barbecue. We'll do something fun right now. We're gonna make a smoked Blue Note Old Fashioned. And here we go. So I've got the Blue Note barrel smoking chips right here. And we're gonna light these on fire. And you can do this a number of ways. Let them burn just for a second. And then blow them out. And I'm gonna cover the chips with my glass that I'm gonna go into. We'll start with a shaker glass. It could be any glass. I'm gonna pour 2 ounces of Blue Note bourbon. Got a little extra in there for me. We'll take just a shaker or 2 of Angostura bitters. A small teaspoon of simple syrup. And then we've got the Luxardo cherries. And a little bit of that cherry juice. Love, these are great. Push those just a hair while I'm down in here. And we'll come back with a little bit of ice. And another quick stir. Come back to the glass. Into the smoked glass. Bourbon, cherries. And take a vegetable peeler and peel a little bit of orange. And we'll twist that directly over the drink, stick that down in there. And that is a smoked Blue Note Old Fashioned. Wow, that rocks. Cheers.